Hey, what's up, guys? I'm going to go over Tesla real quick because I said I was going over 3 trades in my last video. Then I forgot Tesla. I can't believe I forgot Tesla. How can you forget Tesla? We all love Tesla. I entered Tesla last Friday. It was on this level break of 315, put 310 to 315. If you want to zoom, let me zoom out real quick. You can go watch the video on how I did it, but it was basically this blue line here. This level broke this level 315, pulled back to it, found supply at that level there, pulled back to the 10 EMA. So it's a level break with a retest with a 10 EMA confluence. Okay, so I entered Friday at 320. Stop loss was under 315. Luckily, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, we get a nice gap up, and then all week it's just been consolidating and chopping around. So I'm still in my original position, and I also added to this position. So I have two separate trades within one name going on right now. So you hear add to your runners, right, or add to your winners. Instead of want to add to runners, I guess you let runners run, right? But when you have a good entry point and there's a second opportunity for the for a continuation, like a rest or consolidation, or a pullback, or whatever setups that you have, you want to add initially to as close to the beginning of the initial trade setup as you can. So I did that. This is the first time I've done that, actually. Again, going through some growing pains right now. I'm pushing myself forward. So this is another behavior that I'm adding to my repertoire here. So what I liked about it is, number one, this entire week was an inside day from Monday. All it did was chop and get tighter and tighter from Monday to Thursday. Wednesday, so Tuesday was an inside day of Monday. Wednesday was an inside day of Tuesday. Thursday technically wasn't an inside day because it broke the Wednesday's high, but you get the point. It's just getting tight. And so Thursday I looked at this, I'm like, man, I should probably buy this. It looks pretty darn good. I didn't do it. I didn't listen to my gut, which is fine, because there's another opportunity within this tight consolidation of an entry window, which is what I did. So going to the details of what I did here. So you already took an overview, an overlook at what the chart looked like. I'm going to go on the 30-minute time frame. So if we look here, we can see, again, just price consolidating sideways here, right? It broke out of that price at today at 10:30 a.m. Look at the volume, okay? If you want to look at this volume, there was more volume than this open. And this is more volume at 10:30 than any open or close of the entire week, except whatever this is. Is that an open? That's an open, yeah, except the open on Monday. And so we got a nice little volume pump, and that volume pump came from breaking these highs. It came from breaking these stop losses. So shorts have stop losses in there. Whoever the heck is trying to short this thing, I don't know why you would do that. But shorts are price ran, okay? Shorts prop this up. That's what this entire, this whole half-hour move here is, a lack of supply. So, and it happened very quickly. I think it happened in, let's see, in like 10 and 12 minutes it happened, right? So it was super quick after this real tight consolidation. So we have trap shorts here. This is a concept that JJ teach here, especially with market profile and stuff. I just put it on the 30-minute time frame. I just make it my own, his concepts that he teach. So shorts are trapped here. And what I was looking for is price to kind of see how price would react with this single print on the 30-minute time frame. All right, you can see that initially this was not here when I was entering. Okay, Price tagged down here with a low of 351.45, came back down, try to test that low again, and it couldn't break it. It was 351.81. So I treated this shorts. So we have shorts providing bids here initially. What I did is when I entered, I saw that this is an anchor VWAP from the daily high. It broke this downtrend line. It was respecting the anchored VWAP from that huge volume, the breakout volume. Okay, it was. I didn't want to do that. It was respecting that, and it broke the downtrend line, and it was over the anchor VWAP for the high. So I entered here at, it was like 354.40 or something like that. I probably right at the freaking 10 cents off the high of this. So it moved on higher, and then obviously it gave it back. But look at where it continues to get a bid. Okay, right here where that 30-minute time frame is just no overlapping bars here, right? So that's a single print. It continues to provide a bid. So we have bids in here, short sellers competing for price, competing to cover. And every time it comes down there, it gets gobbled up. This is providing price stability. When price stability occurs, longs become confident to enter. Okay, this is red line is the anchor VWAP from the day. So there's not enough supply to break, the VWAP of the day. There's not enough supply to break the VWAP of the day, and it closed over the breakout anchor VWAP. And I say breakout anchor VWAP, I mean the break of this consolidation area on volume. Okay, so it's respecting that, and yeah, I entered right here. So I added to my position. That's how I did it. Obviously I could have had a better entry at 352, 351. But in the grand scheme of things, I'm not holding it for a half-hour period. Obviously, I want as best entries. I'm a little nitpicky like that. I want the best entries as I could, and I thought I got it. As it was moving up, I was looking for a break of the high day continuation. We shall see what happens. The plan moving forward here is I'm going to treat this box here from 350.67, 350.71 to 344.98. So those wicks where there is no overlapping, I'm going to treat that single print as bids. If this fills, there's enough supply, right? So if this fills, I'm out. This is my risk level here, down here. I could see price coming down, maybe tagging Friday's VWAP, maybe working halfway into this, depending on how much supply. But if price cannot fill this entire single print all the way down to 344.98, then there's not enough supply, and shorts are continuing to keep the market propped up. And when you look at something like that, the continuation strategy is very fair game in my opinion. Now it did have a stop run here. It's kind of a false breakout, broke below this low. Maybe it needs to come back down and chop sideways some more. I don't know. We will see. That's why you put your stop losses in and manage your risk. But looking at the weekly time frame here, price is around here. We could be hitting supply around 384 potentially next, maybe 370, 375. I'd say keep an eye on this supply zone here. So like what did I just make here? 383 to 370 or so. I can see it running up to that. Yeah, that's how I did it. That's the plan. Hopefully, if you guys find this stuff helpful, comment, share, like, subscribe, all the good stuff. You have feedback for me of how can I make this more valuable for you. Let me know. I'm open to feedback. I don't care. You can hurt my feelings. Join our trading community. Get trade ideas. It's absolutely amazing. Saves me so much time. looking for trade setups and my scans and things like that, it's a great tech. So use DCOB15 and you get 15% off TradeIdeas. And then you also just come join our trading community. Whether you're a futures trader, an equities trader, or crypto trader, if you like the betting markets on football or baseball or whatever, we have commodities. We got a ton of stuff that's available, which is super cool because we're hustlers in this group. We all have dreams, aspirations, and goals, and we work towards them together. So we make a pretty solid squad, pretty solid team. Come join us. Thank you for your time. I will stop rambling. Have a good weekend. Take care of yourself. Get away from the screens. Later.